Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.